Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Lower the glove box. Remove the 2 screws securing the filter housing door. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door.
Push outward on the tabs while pulling from the top to release each side.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reclip the housing door. Reinstall the screws. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.